One who comes from a country area and is often considered to be a stupid bumpkin. Murder of a new-born child. Infanticide. Walk in a vain, self-important way. Struct. Place which provides both board and lodging in clumsy or ill-bred fellow. Poor. A small shop that sells fashionable clothes, customized boutique, thing that can be felt or touched, palpable. A person who readily believes others, credulous. A book containing summarized information on all branches of knowledge, encyclopedia. The normal about of any animal or plant habitat. Extreme old age when a man behaves like a fool. Dotage. A violent and bad-tempered woman. Virago. One who talks continuously. Loquacious. A person who is skilled in any in horsemanship. Equestrian. To atone for one's sins. Expiate. The rule of person who is tyrannate. Despotism. A paper written in one's own handwriting. Manuscript. To congratulate someone in a formal manner. Felicitate. Intrigued in and clever at many things. Versatile. Code of diplomatic etiquette and precedence protocol. People in a riot mob that which can be carried portable of outstanding significance. Monumental. A small named group of fixed stars. Constellation. Run away from home with lover. Elope. A place of good climate for invalids. Sanatories. A tumor which is not likely to spread. Beginning. A place where bankers exchange check and adjust balance. Clearinghouse. Ones who promote the idea of absence of government of any kind, when every man should be a law into himself. Anarchist. To remove the skin of a potato and orange peel. Irrational fear of crowds. Oco- Oclophobia. One appointment by two parties to settlement a dispute. Arbiter. A list of explanation of word, especially unusual ones at the end of a book. Glossary. One who can use either of his hands with ease. Ambidextrous. A statement which cannot be understood. Incomprehensible. The plants and vegetation of a region. Elora. A person who is talkative. Garrulous. Medical study of the skin and its disease. Dermatology. Room with toilet facilities. Laboratory. One who speak or understand many language. Polyglot. To talk without respect of something, scared of holy. Blasphemy. A person who lives alone and avoid other people. Recluse. Explicit undertaking to do something. Promise. Murder of a king. Regicide. To surround with armed forces. Besiege. A person who besieges to throw over all establishment. Anarchist. A dramatic performance. Masque. Sits on elephant back. Howrah. An expression of mild disapproval. Reproof. Forcing out blood from its vessel. Extravagate.